Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. Would you believe I'm making golden ale? Me? I don't know. Anyway, this is a light golden ale, something a bit different, and maybe slightly influenced by the missus. Anyway, what am I doing? I'm getting my water ready, so that's my 37 litres of water. And yeah, here we go with the... Okay, so that's all up to temperature, whatever. Sorry, not concentrating. Start again. Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. Here I am making a light golden ale, and this is my malts. So I have 63% ale, 25% Vienna, 8% wheat, and 4% CaraMunich number 3. This is going to be mashed at mid-60s for an hour. And yeah, it should be a nice light golden ale, which would be good. So, what makes it light? I've got less grains than usual. Normally, here I am enjoying my hour of time while I wait for it to mash. Normally I do about 5.5 kilos of malt. This one's only 4 kilos, so it's actually a lot less, and it's going to get me 33 original gangsters instead of my usual roughly 45. So that's that. Anyway, so I guess my hour's up, and I'm lifting it and clipping it, and out comes the thing, and on goes the power to get the heat into it. And now we do my rinse, and I haven't bothered I think I rinsed with the usual amount of water, which means that I'm not bothering too much with the absorption consideration here. So when I do more grains than usual, I usually rinse with more water than usual because you lose some to absorption. But anyway, so that is Nelson hops going in to bitter it up to whatever I said, which I didn't, but I will in a second. And then I've got two other additions, and it's Nelson and Riwaka. Do you say it like that? I don't know. Anyway, these are roughly 0.8, 0.9 gram a litre things that I'm making up. So the Nelson is the bittering hops. It's going to be 27 IBUs, and then I've got two other additions of Riwaka. So this is that's a whirl flock going in with 15 minutes to go. So yeah, okay. This is a 50-50 Nelson and Riwaka. That's 5 minutes before the end of the boil. This is the end of the boil. 3, 2, 1, 0. And then 5 minutes post end of the boil, I'm going to put in another one of them. So here I am and stirring it off. So this is 0.9 grams a litre of Riwaka and Nelson in total. Have I been clear? I don't think I've been clear. Anyway, sample time. Get rid of the first bit because it's full of lies. That's my actual sample, and actually this looks pretty golden and nice, which is good. I haven't lost colour or anything. And fill up the cube. So up we go. And I guess Max knocked the camera there, and yep. So without absorption, I'm not having to tip the urn at all to get the last bit in, and I'm just going to sort of fill the cube completely to the top here. And what are we doing? I'm tilting it back there to try and get all the air out of the handle even, and then finally get the cap on and squeeze it till I see a few drops coming out, and then put it on as tight as we can. So there we go. That is my 27 litres of a lightish golden ale. Don't know what I'm drinking. That's some USO 5 yeast that I saved from my XPA. These guys are going to be dry hopped at a combined total of 2 grams per litre, and we're done. So, hey kids, hey, Jonah's got the thumbs up going. Jensen, I got to teach him. He's not learned that yet. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's definitely no outtakes coming up now.